one first, please. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Tom Allen-Stevens. I'm an Oxfordshire arable farmer, lead the British On-Farm Innovation Network. Wow. I mean, both of those talks, they were so inspiring. You know, thank you, both of you. I mean, I have to say, Bram, in particular, the technologies that you're looking at, you know, the traits, you know, BNI, for example, just jaw-dropping. I can't wait to get this in my fields. Now, we have a project where we've got gene-edited precision-bred crops that we're going to be growing for the first time across Europe, and it's happening right here in England from this autumn. So if you are one of those farmers growing these crops for the first time in your fields, what would you look to explore? What would you look to learn from these crops in your fields?
So I think if I was one of those farmers, it's about learning what those new crops mean for my system and kind of being able to show to others what their learning is. But I think those farmers are going to participate with those new gene-edited crops. Definitely also hope understand what a crucial function they play towards society, to basically, I mean, invite the neighbors to look, and it's even as simple as showing they're just normal crops, right? So invite them and have them talk to the plants. Plants do talk back, as you know. You just have to listen very carefully. So if I think that is a crucial function of that effort. And I think make the learnings, what I would be looking for from me as a Director General of CIMMYT, is really getting the results and the learnings of such an exercise with farmer observations, but also what are the questions, what are the most heard criticisms that come back, so that we can actually register that social interaction around the technology and react to that, not 5 years when it becomes a mass perception, but from the get-go.
Thank you.